So I'm going to show right quick the interaction between one sequencer, which is the Cirklon from Sequentix, and this little Modor from NF-1M from the Belgian brand Modor. So we use those a lot actually, and we just put a little sequence, we put some notes. And one thing that is really interesting with this sequencer, it sends MIDI CC, so I prepared already some CC here. So I have to show here, mid auxiliary A, I put the CC 71, which is the filter frequency, 72 formant morph. So I'm going to use especially that, the formant right now. So here you go. So this sequencer can do nodes, velocity, length, and also how many? 4 MIDI CC. So like the CC here is the changing the formant of the formant filter on the Modor. So that's how we make it talk. this is the way we usually use those machines together. I mean, we managed to get some very interesting sequences, also bass sequences, or just some effects or some synth lines with the Cirklon Modor, or with any synth that has MIDI or CV gate, because there is a breakout box CV gate for this machine. So yeah, that was a little bit inside of how we do these sounds.